Okay guys, welcome to the Chevette Collector YouTube channel. You got Tony here, future race car driver. We're to find out what happened to my GTO. It's APS Twin Turbo, 2005 GTO 6-speed. Does 1080s and a quarter on 7 pounds of boost. It's got a LS2. Let's see what happened to the rear. Tony, is that supposed to do that? No, right? So these are G-force axles. They held up pretty well. BMR drag springs and airbags keep from squatting. G-force aluminum drive shaft. Harrop rear differential cover. And you got the factory 346 cast iron differential. So I'm gonna have to pull the rear out and see what I did. But whatever I did, this is not supposed to be that way. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have to try to find the rear for it. I may actually take this opportunity to change the gears because 346s are too short. I always wanted 308s or something like that because it's a turbo car and it spins a lot off the line. So I may be looking for another gear set and maybe just rebuild this rear if I can once I take it out. Make sure the case is not damaged. Probably put a 307 or 308, whatever they have close to that. This way it won't spin as much. Best trap speed was 127. Best quarter mile was I think 1089. So it has a lot more in it. Only running 7 pounds of boost. But it won't be going back to the track until I fix it. Alright, stay tuned guys. Take it easy.